If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Solana video update. So today Solana is actually doing amazing. Okay, the weekend didn't end just yet, and it's Saturday right here. I made you aware about the weekly candle here that you don't want to actually end up closing in a negative way for Solana right now. So what Solana is doing is incredible. I think we're not looking to drop down any more time. So when people are asking me if $5 is in play, well, on a higher time frame, actually, it's still kind of in play, but you're about to invalidate that pattern. If you do come above $30 and go like this, then that pattern gets destroyed to go down to $5 actually, because this is your neckline, and if you break the neckline, there's no $5 actually. Simple as that. Because if I do try to zoom out on the daily time frame right now, this is how it looks like at the moment. So I'm just going to show you the neckline here. So you can see that if you're trying to come above, $38 backtest things, then you're breaking this neckline and you're you're going to be above the neckline. Then you're not looking to drop down to nearly $4. And again, if Bitcoin bottoms out as well, then that's your bottom. Okay, some targets never met. Some targets to the upside don't get met, and some targets to the downside don't get met. But we were so close. We went all the way down to $7. Still pretty good. And that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. And before I close the video, let's talk a little bit more about the pattern here. And you did have this a little bit of a bull flag right over there. You broke to the downside. You took some stop losses, and now you're coming up above. I think by Monday or Tuesday, we still have to retrace a little bit lower. I'm going to tell you where we're going to retrace down to. So basically, I'm just going to drive this line right over here. And I think you're looking for a retest. And this is exactly what I wanted for Solana, by the way, that you go above $25, $26. And I think it's time to backtest $23.4. This could be an amazing entry. And you can ride it all the way up to nearly $34. That's going to be a price move up of nearly 46%. And that's it for this update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.